warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इन्नद-दीन इंदल्लाहिल इस्लाम सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Respected President, honorable guests, dear teachers and audience, today I want to speak on the topic of Islam. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran that the accepted religion is only Islam in the eye of Allah. My audience, we are Muslims. Islam is our religion. Islam is the true religion. It is the best religion. Islam teaches goodness. Islam checks from evil. The teachings of Islam are as be one, be virtuous, be pious, keep away from dirt, be clean, escape from evil, worship for only one God, and recognize all the prophets. Always speak the truth. Be with the truthful people, say prayer or offer namaz, observe fast in the month of Ramadan, give alms, give fitra, make sacrifice and perform hajj. Dear my audience, behave everyone well and misbehave none. Be beneficial to everyone and injure none. Do good in return of evils. If someone calls your name, you pray to God for him. Honor of the strangers, love to all. Use good manners to all. Win the heart of the stranger. Be honest in dealings. Measure and faithfully keep your word. If you ask someone or anything, return it on time. Pay off your debt as soon as you can. Don't be dishonest in games and sports, whether it is a victory or defeat. Don't take anything of Allah without permission. Eat that is permissible and never touch that is prohibited. Dear my audience, do only those deeds that God likes and be away from those that God dislikes. It is called a worship to live the life according to the principles of Islam. By doing so, the whole life is spent in the worship. Here I end my speech. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.